Cora! Oh, here they come. Come on, guys! They're moving like it's hot outside. Yeah. Poor sweetheart hit the hill and was like, nope, we're walking. Oh, here she comes. Hi, pretty girl. Hey, gorgeous. Yeah. Oh, those flies. I'm so sorry. Hi, sweet girl. Hey, sweetie. Oh, here she comes. Woo! Go on. Thank you. You gonna get a flying change? Oh, yeah, good girl. And then I'll put her away. Hello, beautiful girl. I know, I'm sorry I took your sweetheart away. All right, go run around, y'all. Go on. Hi, go. Hi, Tater Tot. Hey, sweet girl. All right, I plugged my phone in the truck, but it's only at like not even 5%. But we'll see. We'll see if she might run around a tiny bit more. I put her buddy away, so now she's like, okay, I'm just chill. Hi. Go run around. I can let you back in with your friend.